Ask yourself, if you had to carry every thought you've ever had, every regret, every worry, every half-finished idea in a physical backpack, how long could you walk before you simply collapse? We treat our minds like storage units, constantly accumulating, never taking a moment to empty the attic. This is the story of Leo, a man who learned that inner peace isn't found by adding more, but by finally letting go of the invisible weight he already carried. Leo was a man of great knowledge and ambition, but his mind was an eternal marketplace, noisy, chaotic, exhausting. Seeking peace, he traveled to the mountains to find a reclusive sage, known only as the Master of Stillness. Master, I have read all the books. I practice mindfulness, but my thoughts are relentless. How do I force my mind to be quiet and find peace? The sage said nothing. Instead, he led Leo to a small hidden pond deep in the woods. Leo, what do you see? I see the reflection of the world and myself. The water is absolutely clear. The sage then slowly plunged his hand into the water. The surface immediately became cloudy. Silt, mud, the debris of years, rose up, turning the pond into a muddy, broken mess. And now, what do you see? Only chaos and mud. The clear image is gone. Your mind is this pond, Leo. Naturally, it is clear. But you constantly allow worries of the future and mistakes of the past to stir it up. You ask how to force clarity to return. You try to analyze, control the waves, fight the water. But the solution is not in action. It is in non-action. The true power lies not in holding, managing the chaos, but in the art of letting go. Wait. Do nothing. Allow the silt to settle. Let the ripples die naturally. When you stop stirring the water, the pond will return to stillness on its own. Clarity is the pond's default state. Your only job is to withdraw your hand. Leo finally grasped the simplicity, the profound power of this lesson. He had been seeking peace by doing more, while peace resided in subtraction. Returning to life, he no longer saw anxiety as problems to solve, but as muddy silt that merely needed time and space to settle. Inner peace is not an achievement. It is a withdrawal. It is the willingness to pull your hand out of the water and trust your natural clarity. That old silt, the heavy regret, the constant worry, has no power to destroy your life unless you choose to stir it up today. The greatest space you can create for your future self is by emptying your mental cup of yesterday's noise